A busy day, a busy week at the state capitol coming to a close, and dozens of public defenders are starting to breathe a little easier. Thanks for watching. I'm Rolly Hoyt.
And I'm Faith Woodard. Earlier this week, we told you about the tough choice facing lawmakers: finding more money for part-time public defenders or cut them loose.
THV 11's Carter Thweet joins us here in studio tonight with an update on where they landed. Carter?
Well, the problem that Arkansas public defenders are having is a buildup of cases that dates back to the COVID-19 pandemic. And they got some funds to pay part-time workers in 2022, which helped cut down on that gap. But now that money is almost out, which led to today's decision.
Today, yes, we put over $1 million into the Public Defender Commission to make sure that those public servants will still be paid.
That's State Senator Clark Tucker. He's part of the council tasked with figuring out what to do with dozens of part-time public defenders.
We had a backlog of about 11,000 cases that were created during the COVID-19 pandemic. So 2 years ago, we spent a few $1 million to create about 40 extra positions.
That backlog is now down to around 5,000 cases, a feat many in the state attribute to those funds. But now that money is run out, which is why Greg Parrish with the Arkansas Public Defenders Commission has been on Capitol Hill this week asking for more. Friday morning, he got his wish.
It was approved that we would be receiving $1.25 million, which will probably last approximately about 6 months to keep these attorneys employed working on the backlog.
But it wasn't without some questions. The main one being, why are there still 5,000 backlogged cases 4 years after the start of the pandemic? And when will they be taken care of?
I can't answer that. There's too many variables.
It depends on the victims, the defendants, the courts, a whole host of factors.
But with the money now approved, the public defenders can work on tackling these cases, at least for a little while.
Being a public defender is difficult enough, but when you're having to worry about whether or not you're going to have a paycheck next month, that's even more of a challenge.
And Parrish says the work isn't done. You heard him say he expects this money to last about 6 months, and the prosecutor's office could soon need more money as well. He says they plan to address these concerns in a legislative session at the beginning of 2025.